Required tools: loosen the 4 screws under the saddle and cut off the zip ties. Disconnect the motor wires from the controller. Please adjust the position of the display, then flip the bike upside down. Then loosen the chain screw and the nuts securing the rear wheel. Remove the chain and the rear wheel. On the side of the tire opposite the valve, use a tire lever to pry off the outer tire and remove the inner tube. Locate the position of the valve on the outer tire and install the new inner tube. Reposition the outer tire properly and inflate the tire, following the recommended pressure indicated on the side of the tire. Check whether the safety lines on both sides of the tire are visible. If not, adjust the tire and inflate it again. Reinstall the rear wheel. Make sure the rear axle is positioned correctly on the frame when securing it. There may be slight differences between models or batches, so assemble according to the original position of the rear wheel. Ensure the brake disc is properly aligned within the brake caliper. Slightly tighten the 2 rear wheel nuts, then install the chain. Tighten the chain screw. The tightness of the chain screw affects the chain tension. Just make sure the chain is at the proper tension. Tighten the nuts. Organize the wiring and secure it with zip ties. Connect the motor wires to the controller according to their corresponding colors. After organizing the controller wires, secure them with zip ties. Reinstall the seat